Okay, so on this lesson we're going to be talking about the parts of Malaguena that we've done. So one thing we've done is taken an A minor chord, strummed it 3 times, then changed that over to an E chord. Now notice those are both the same shape, I'm just moving my fingers over a string. A minor is on the D, G, and B strings, and E is on the A, D, and G strings. So A minor to E up to, we're going to call that chord F over E. So I'm just sliding my E chord shape up 1 fret and then back to E. 3 strums on each. So, oops, I think that was 4. So here we go. A minor, 1, 2, 3, E, 2, 3, F over E, back to E, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, E, 2, 3, F, 2, 3, E, 2, 3. And what you want to try to do is not have any pauses when you switch chords, so you keep the rhythm going the whole time. Another part of Malaguena we have is this melody. So I'm playing 2nd fret. Well, you've already got this memorized, and if not, you can listen well enough to figure out these notes. Starts on 2nd fret D string. And then we're going to add some other notes between those notes. We could do 1 high E string, so that's with my picking hand going to be thumb and then index finger. Thumb, index, thumb, index, thumb, index. We can add 2 high E strings. We'll do thumb and then middle finger on the high E and then index on the high E. Thumb, middle, index. So we're always ending with our index finger. We can also put 3 high E strings after each melody note. So we'll play thumb for the melody note, and then ring finger, middle finger, index finger. All 3 of those will be on the high E string. Alright, and then I think the only other part for Malaguena that we've got right now is this part. So what I'm going to do is play 3rd finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. And eventually we'll hold that down. For now, if you need to lift it up to do the next part, that's okay. But eventually you want to hold that down so that it rings out. And then we're doing pinky and index finger on the 3rd fret and the 1st fret of the high E. I'm going to pick that and then do a pull off with my pinky and a pull off with my index finger. So I pick once, pick, pull off, pull off. Same thing on the B string, pick, pull off, pull off. On the G string, I'm going to play middle finger on the 2nd fret, pick, pull off. Now with my picking hand here, what I want to do is play thumb on the D string, then ring finger on the high E string, middle finger on the B, and index on the G. So I've kind of got 1 finger per string with my picking hand. And there's the parts of Malaguena we've got so far.